Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need to confirm two things. You're signed into YouTube and you have an active payment method. Once that's set, go to the creator's channel. You'll see a Join or Members button, click it. Make sure you pick a gift membership option if visible. Some channels enable gifting via a dedicated button or a members drop-down. If you don't see gifting, try desktop versus mobile. You are now at the channel's membership purchase flow and ready to choose how many gifts to buy. Now choose the membership tier and the number of gifts you want to purchase. YouTube will show price per gift and the total cost so you can manage budget. If the channel allows, add a short message. This helps recipients know who sent the gift. Then select whether to target specific viewers or let YouTube distribute randomly. Targeting requires selecting contacts or commenters. Once selections look correct, proceed to the payment screen and prepare to confirm. Complete the payment flow and confirm the purchase. You'll receive a confirmation receipt, so save it in case of issues. Recipients should get notifications and members' perks should activate automatically. If they don't, ask them to refresh the app and check their account status. If gifting fails, verify your payment method, confirm gifting is allowed in your and the recipient's country, and update or reinstall the YouTube app. If problems persist, contact YouTube.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.